Okay, so how do you actually add in algebra? Okay, so this is what we're going to be discussing in this video. Let's start out with a sample problem over here. We have 2a added to 4 and add that over to 6a. Now, this is going to be a sample problem. I'm going to solve it at my pace, and then we're going to discuss like how everything breaks down, how the steps break down, what is the thinking involved, and all of that. So I see that 2a and 6a are similar, so I add them. You get 8a and 4. 8a added to 4, and I see that like literally there is nothing else that I can do, and so I call it a day. Now, what are these? Now, like this is the part that I explain what I just did. Okay. So what are the steps involved? Now, the first step is that you have to find the terms which have common variables and common exponents. Let's look at what I did over here. Now, first of all, you might say that just looking at it, that a is common to both of these terms, okay, in this algebraic expression, and the exponent, when you look at them, is equivalent to 1 on both sides, on 2a and 6a. So basically what you do is just you add the coefficients together and leave the rest coefficients. Okay, you add the coefficients together. This is going to be the second step. Now let's resume with what we were doing. We're going to be adding 6 to 2 to get 8, and now you see that because there is nothing, now we're going to go back to the step 1, and because we don't have anything common between 8a and 4 except for the 4, I'm going to ignore that. We're going to look out for the variable and the exponent, and the variables are not same over here, so we're going to be leaving this as it is. Now let's look at another example so that stuff gets clear. Now over here in this example we have this 2a squared plus a plus 3 plus 4a squared plus 3a, and we're going to go through the first step 1, which is to find common stuff. Now we find that a squared is common on both sides, and a is common on this side, and we have a single 3, so we can't do much with that, but with the other two groups we're going to be adding them together. Now we're going to be adding 4 and 2. Now what is 2 added to 4? Yeah, that is equal to 6, so basically you have 6a squared. Now we're going to go after the second group, and what is 1 added to 3? That is equal to 4, so basically you just write that down as it is, and you are left with the correct answer. Okay, so thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something.